Understanding no service on your T-Mobile 5G hotspot. Experiencing no service on your T-Mobile 5G hotspot? This means your device can't connect to T-Mobile's cellular network. The most common causes include issues with your SIM card, poor coverage in your area, or temporary network glitches. First, make sure your SIM card is activated, properly inserted, and undamaged. You can check its status via the T-Mobile app or website. Second, consider your location. T-Mobile's 5G coverage is extensive, but rural areas or indoors might have weaker signals. Check the T-Mobile coverage map and try moving to a location with a stronger signal. Also ensure the device is unlocked for T-Mobile's network bans. Start with your SIM, remove and reinsert it, ensuring it's clean. If that doesn't work, contact T-Mobile for a replacement, especially if it's an older SIM. For coverage issues, move to an area with better signal. Check your hotspot signal strength in the device settings. Look for dBm readings. Higher negative numbers indicate weaker signal. For network resets, first try a simple restart of your hotspot. If that fails, perform a factory reset. You might also need to check APN settings. Ensure they're set to fast.tmobile.com. T-Mobile's app also offers AI-driven diagnostics that can guide you through troubleshooting. Finally, keep your hotspot's firmware updated via the T-Mobile app to resolve potential bugs. If all else fails, contact T-Mobile support.